Hey everyone, we're going to continue with division this week, but this time we're going to be using equal parts. Last week we used equal groups, so we knew how many objects we had in total. We knew how many objects to put in each group, and we were finding out how many groups we could make. This week it's a little different. This week we know how many objects we have in total, and we know how many groups we have, and we want to figure out how many objects to put in each group. So let's imagine your dad gave you candies to share with your friends. So he gave you 8 candies. And you have 4 friends to share the candies with. So how many candies will each friend get? So I have my 8 candies here and my 4 friends here. So I'll give one to him, one to him, one to him, one to her. I still have candies left over, so I'll give him more candies away. Another one to him, another one to him, another one to him, and one to her. So now each friend has received the same amount of candies, and they've each received 2 candies. So the division we just did is 8 divided by 4 equals 2, because we had 8 candies in total. We divided them amongst 4 friends, and each friend received 2 candies. So again, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Let's look at another example, but this time with bananas. So here we have 12 bananas, and we want to share the bananas amongst 3 monkeys. So the division we're about to do is 12 divided by 3 equals something. Because we have 12 bananas in total, and we have 3 monkeys to share them with, and so we want to know how many bananas each monkey is going to get. So, here are 12 bananas or 3 monkeys. I'll divide them up. So this monkey got 6 bananas, this one got 3, and this one also only got 3. No, that is not how you do division. You have to divide the objects equally. So I redistributed, and now this time each monkey received the same amount of bananas, which is 4. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So we had 12 bananas in total, divided them amongst the 3 monkeys, and each monkey got 4 bananas. So now what do you do if you get a division question? So let's look at this question, for example. 15 divided by 3 equals something. So I've drawn out 15 circles and 3 groups. So I need to divide these circles amongst the 3 groups. So I put 1 in each group, but I still have circles left over. So I put another 1 in each group, still left over. Another 2 in each group, still left over. Now I've used all of my circles, and each group has the same number of circles in it, which is 5. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. And congratulations, you finished the lesson for this week. Thank you.